Students, today I welcome you all in your computer class. I am Jaya Kumari, your computer teacher. Students, after quick revision of few valuable words of computer, I will revise etiquettes of computer, which is very important for you all, for we all. I will revise the things. Valuable words, value words, and etiquettes of computer. Okay, students, few words are showing in your on your screen. Just look at the words. Monitor. It looks like TV. You can see words, numbers, and pictures on it. CPU. It is the brain of computer. It can remember a lot of things. Mouse. To it help us to point to things and click on them. You can draw the pictures with the help of mouse. Keyboard. It has got keys on it. You can press these keys to type. Printer. It is used to print text and pictures. Speakers. You hear the sound coming from computer through the speakers. Microphone. It is used to record voice or sound. UPS. It keeps computer running even after the electricity has gone out. DVD drive. It is used to read DVDs and CDs. Mouse pad. A mouse is kept on mouse pad. Arrow. Arrow is used to point the things. Single click. Clicking on mouse button once is called single click. Dragging. Pulling something is called dragging. Dropping. Leaving something is called dropping. Students, these things we will definitely know when we will do our practical classes. Pointing means to show something. You can point the things on a computer. Clicking once on mouse button is called single click. Clicking the mouse more than one is called double click. Now students, some etiquettes are there for computer. In our life, etiquettes plays a vital role. Students, we must follow etiquettes and etiquetted child praised by everyone. Everyone loves them. The children who has etiquette, the children who have with etiquettes and manners. So computer have some etiquettes. We must follow the etiquettes of computer. This is a computer class. There is silence in the classroom. The students who can learn the silence. The students can learn in silence. We should not make noise in the classroom. It is difficult to study in a noisy classroom, isn't it, student? Don't you feel this? Yes, I know that everybody feels this. This is a classroom. The teacher is teaching in the classroom. The students are learning, listening to the teacher. One student is talking in the classroom. He is not a good student. He should listen the teacher carefully. The students who listen to their teachers learn more. This is Sudhir. He always talks when the teacher teaches. The teacher asks him a question. Do you think he knows the answer? No, because he was not listening the teacher. If you or anybody will not listen the teacher, how can you learn? Now look at the students. They are going in computer room. They are going in a straight line. They are good students. Good students walk in line. This is a computer class. The students are working. Sandeep is running and in the computer room. He did not see the mouse. The mouse slipped and fell on the ground, fell on the floor. The teacher punished Sandeep. Sandeep promised never to run in the classroom. Why it happened? Because Sandeep did not follow the etiquettes of computer. Alright, students? Now you have to answer, think and answer yourself. These are the some question. You will do this also, student. Some computer etiquettes you have to follow in your life. Just see, look at Meenal. What is she doing? Her mother has gifted her a doll. She takes good care of her doll. She keeps her doll clean. This is Soumya. She is Meenal's sister. Her mother has gifted her a computer. Soumya keeps her computer clean. She cleans the computer with a dry cotton cloth. She cleans computer every day. She keeps her computer dust free. Dust can harm the computer. Student, if you will follow etiquettes in your life, you will be praised by everyone and the work done by you will be always wonderful. So, you have to follow etiquettes in your life. Alright, students? Thank you. Thank you so much.